On previous lessons, we learned how to throw. Now we will learn how to catch. Also how to hold 2 bottles in one hand and how to throw a bottle while holding 2 in hand. Let's start with how to protect your fingers. Please feel free to wear finger protection. Trust me, you need it to keep your practice productive and to flair for many more years without injuring your fingers. Now I will show you the way I protect my fingers, but feel free to do it your way. For this you will need thin washcloth for cleaning and insulating tape. Here we will start with 1 bottle, but you need to hold it in 3 fingers. One bottle. Hold it in 3 fingers. 2 flips.